guys, today we'll talk about how can you show or hide text alt on your Threads app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, you click in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. Then you come to next step here. Just click here on accessibility here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to show alt text. You click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean here it's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.